Hey guys, in this video we're going to be talking about something interesting happening for Bitcoin in the 4-hourly time frame. We're also going to be talking about Bitcoin forming this symmetrical triangle on the daily time frame and what this means for Bitcoin in the short term. Aside from that, we're also going to be talking about the risks associated with Bitcoin in the weekly time frame. So remember, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and consider subscribing. So let's just jump right into the charts. So guys, we are on the 4-hourly time frame for Bitcoin, and it seems like Bitcoin broke resistance, and that's pretty good news. So what am I expecting now for Bitcoin? Well, obviously I am expecting a dump to the support level before continuation to the upside. So this is looking pretty good for Bitcoin in the short term. And also guys, let's talk about the higher low that Bitcoin has formed in the 4-hourly time frame. So this is looking pretty nice. It's holding pretty well and formed a higher low. Now let's talk about the daily time frame, and Bitcoin is forming this symmetrical triangle and potentially breaking to the upside and retest it as support. So what are my price targets for Bitcoin for this symmetrical triangle? Well, to measure that move, let's first measure the pole, and to the point of breakout, this will be a measured move to the upside, and it will bring us to $35.5 thousand. That is pretty bullish for Bitcoin. Could this be the low? Could the bottom be in? Well, I'm waiting for confirmation, so I can't say that the low or the bottom is already in. But if we see Bitcoin break this symmetrical triangle and move to the upside and retest this symmetrical triangle, then I am expecting a massive pump for Bitcoin to the upside, bringing us to this next resistance level, which is currently located in $28.6 thousand to $31.7 thousand. But if Bitcoin fails to break this symmetrical triangle to the upside and decides to move down and retests it as resistance, I'm also expecting a measured move to the downside, and it's going to be at $11.3 thousand. That's pretty bearish as well. So let's hope for the best for Bitcoin. Let us hope that this will break to the upside and move to the next resistance level. Also guys, let's talk about the weekly time frame and the risks associated for Bitcoin. So right now we're having a pump on the weekly. That's pretty good. But Bitcoin is approaching the 200 weekly moving average, and that's acting as major resistance. So I hope that once Bitcoin approaches the 200 weekly moving average, I hope it breaks past it and retests it as support, because if it doesn't and it gets rejected, we could be expecting lower prices for the short term and potentially moving to the 300 weekly moving average. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like and consider subscribing.